Hi guys, so I have decided today to do a fall design on my little hand here. So I'm going to be using these colors. I'm not sure the name of this one from Fuzion, but it has the present on it, and then Jive and Ginger from Elegance. I'm also going to be using these little leaves from the Glitter Boutique, and then we will do some stamping at the end. I'm going to start by putting the Jive and Ginger on the pinky and the ring finger. So I'm going to cure those just for 30 seconds to get them in place. Now that that's done, I'm going to put a second thin layer on this ring finger here. And then I'm going to take some of these leaves and place them right inside of the glitter. So I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to cure that again for 30 seconds. So that has cured now. So I'm going to paint this beautiful red color onto the pointer finger and the middle. One thing I do want to mention about these Fuzion colors is this is their old formula. They just recently switched their formula to a thinner builder formula. So this is their old builder formula, which is very thick. It's a little bit more difficult to work with, but if you work it a little bit, it kind of smooths itself out. Another thing you can do is use a candle warmer or mug warmer hot plate thing and heat the colors up so that they are a little bit thinner and easier to work with. So now that those are painted on, I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. So these have cured in the light now, and I just wiped this pointer finger off because we're going to do some stamping. But first, I'm just going to encapsulate this ring finger a little bit, just so that these leaves aren't sticking up. And I'm just using my Fuzion 5 for this, and I'm just going to do a really thin layer on there. So I'm just going to hold that finger upside down a little bit so that the gel will pool to the bottom. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. So for this stamping, I'm going to be using this plate here, CJS number 86. And I'm going to use some of these fall leaf images here and do some stamping. We're going to use the CJS sticky polish, the black, and see if we can do some foil leaves on there. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I've painted that on, and I'm going to scrape firmly, roll to pick up the image, and then I'm just going to place it on the nail. Now, while it's still a little bit tacky, I'm going to take some foil and press that into the sticky polish so you can kind of see that foil will stick and make the leaf look kind of metallic. So I'm going to go in with a second leaf, this image right here. So I have my leaf, and I'm just going to line that up, place it on the nail. So again, I'm just going to take my little piece of foil and press it into that sticky polish. All right, so next I'm going to put some crystals on the middle finger. I'm also going to use my Ugly Duckling Blinger tool. And I'm going to use this kind of dark brown crystal. I don't know what the color is called, but I just get these from Michael's. They have a really good selection. I'm going to place a little bit of the Shtick-It on the side here. And I'm not going to go too crazy. So I'm just going to put a few crystals there, and then this does need to be cured, so I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So that has cured. I'm going to go and file this just a little bit because we encapsulated, and then I'll come back and top coat them all. All right, so I have filed this ring finger, and now we can top coat. I'm using the Nail Techniques this top coat, and we're just gonna top coat these nails and then cure for 60 seconds. All right, so these have finished curing here, and I'm just gonna wipe off the dispersion layer with some of Fuzion's cleanser. So here is our finished design. Just a nice simple fall design with some encapsulated leaves and using Clear Jelly Stampers sticky polish. Thanks for watching.